Hi, I'm Nick Holmes, Technical Training Manager for Ultracrete, and you join me today at our bespoke training facilities at Tamworth, and I'm going to show you how to compact Tough Patch properly. Tough Patch utilises high polished stone valley aggregate and can be cored after 24 hours. Tough Patch is a first time permanent repair that is instantly practicable and is PTS Pass approved. As with all cold lay asphalts, Tough Patch uses a 50% surcharge rate. After measuring the depth needed and applying the accurate surcharge, apply water liberally to Tough Patch at approximately 1 litre per unit. Having applied the water, compact the edges of the reinstatement carefully, making sure we get no overhang of material. The specification for compaction within the SROH would ask that it's able to exert 1,400 kilos of pressure per square metre. Once we have a chamfered edge all round, next we compact the surface of the material using a compaction plate that complies with the SROH. We are looking for a minimum of 6 complete passes across the top of the material to give us our full compaction. When compacting, pay particular attention not to shine the surface up too much and compact too much. As soon as we see white on the surface, that's full compaction, we need to stop.